Here's another question here. Where do your percussive ideas come from? Do you listen to a lot of percussion albums? And what albums am I digging right now? To be honest, I don't listen to too much music. So can't really answer that. I'm just really kind of involved with my own stuff these days, so that's kind of where I'm at. But as far as kind of the percussive ideas, a lot of the ideas actually come from my Persian upbringing. I used to listen to a lot of Persian music, not by choice, because of my parents being both musicians and artists. So we always were constantly around the arts, literature, anything to do with the arts. So that was kind of my childhood. And a lot of the rhythms were these like 6/8 rhythms. These. That was part of Tico's blues for my dog, but yeah, a lot of the rhythms definitely come from like the 6/8 feel. Even this piece right here was a very 6/8 driven. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Right? It's almost like that galloping horse or train ride feel, which is really fun to do. I really like to do that stuff. Even this sort of stuff. This is very country, you know. That kind of stuff. Really kind of fun to do, rhythmic stuff. Plus, whenever I do jam sessions and stuff like that, it's really fun to just play rhythm. I don't really always want to be the lead player or the guitar player. Sometimes it's fun just to do rhythmic stuff. And doing the loop pedal stuff that I've been doing here for you guys a little bit, you're probably hearing a lot of percussive ideas as well. Where to put in these little hits, where to put the palm hit, or the string hit, right? All these different elements play such a big role overall. So I think the musicality from my Persian roots really helped a lot.